In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located on the passenger side of the engine bay. Let's get into it. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket. Take this nut off. Grab the reservoir, slide it towards the back of the vehicle, and pull it up. You can see where the tube is right here. You can use a fluid transfer pump to transfer some of the fluid. There's not a lot in this one, so I'm just going to tip it upside down. Pop that off. Just move the hose over here so we don't leak. You can put a drain bucket underneath so you don't leak any of the fluid on the ground. And take the new reservoir, slide the tube on, and we'll twist it. Get that lined up in place. There's a slot on the frame that a little tab goes in, and then line that up with the stud. Tighten this down. You can open the cap, and we can transfer the fluid from the old reservoir. And fill it up to the min-max line. Put the cap on. Snug that down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.